Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to fund your Grey account using your Nigerian Naira in order for you to get started with it. So for those of you who have been finding it difficult to fund your Grey account, this new feature in which Grey has been able to provide will be able to help you in order for you to fund your Grey account. So all you just need to do is to create a Grey virtual Naira account in which you can be able to use in making this particular transaction. So if you're joining for the first time, please do me a favor by subscribing, turning on the notification, and don't forget to give this video a like so that other people can be able to see this particular video. So all you just need to do first of all in order for you to get started is for you to log into your Grey account, in which I'll be showing you a step-by-step process. Please do not skip this video. If you like skipping videos, you will find it difficult in order for you to do all of these things I'm going to be sharing with you right now. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your account. I'm going to be using my phone. I will not use my laptop because many of you say I should use my phone so that I'll be able to do all of this effectively, so it will not look like I'm doing something different and you are doing something different at your own end. So I'm going to be using my phone in order for me to do all of these things effectively. So the first thing first, log into your account, and as you can see right now on my screen, I am in my account, and all I have to do right now is to come to my account. You'll see that these three buttons here in which you are seeing here at the top here, all you just need to do is to click on it. And once you click on it, you will see the different features in which you see here. You'll see the home, balance, account report, transaction, virtual card, beneficiary, and referral. So the main thing we need here is to go to this account and report. So once you click on this account and report, it will take you to the very next page, in which you see the different virtual card in which you have, which you will see here. It will tell you that you create a Nigerian account to receive Nigerian payment. So this is what we are going to be doing right now to create our account in which you can be able to use in receiving payment. So as you can see here, just like you have your GBP account and your US dollar account and your Euro account, you also have the opportunity for you to be able to create your Nigerian bank account in which you can be able to fund and then use it to do whatever thing you want to do right here. So all I have to do right now is to click on request Nigerian account, and once I click on request a Nigerian account, you will see that it will give you a prompt telling you that you should confirm your name, your last name, and your first name, and you will be able to see here that it's telling you that you can get a Nigerian account. So all I have to do is to click on get a Nigerian account, and once I click on get a Nigerian account, it will load up, and as you can see here, it has been created successfully. As you can see here, all you just need to do right now is to fund your account. And if you look very closely here, all of these things you are seeing here are your account detail. If you look very closely here, you see your full name, you see your account number, and you see the bank in which you're going to be funding. And if you look very closely, the banking with your banking or Grey is banking with is the Sterling Bank, and the account number is there at the top. And all you just need to do is to go to your bank app, fund it with whatever amount in which you want to do. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to just be funding this wallet with just 2,000 Naira, in which all of us can be able to see it, and then we'll get started with it. So let me just fund it and then get back to this particular video. So once you move over to your bank app, you select the bank, then you now push the account number. The next thing you see is your bank name, in which is showing right here. Then I'll now do the transfer of 2,000 Naira, and that's what I want to deposit in that particular account. So I'll deposit 2,000 Naira, and then I will now get started with it. So let me just do that effectively now. And as you can see here, I'm going to be depositing 2,000 Naira, in which I'm going to be sending to that account. As you can see here, it has been deposited successfully. All I have to do is to go back to the site on my Grey in order to confirm that my payment or the fund has been sent to the account. So guys, once I come back to the site, all I have to do is to refresh in order for the money to appear. And once I come back to the app, if you can see here, once I have refreshed it, if you look very closely, you see that the 2,000 Naira in which I have been able to fund the account with is now appearing in the wallet. And this is how you can be able to fund your wallet or fund your Grey account in which you want to use to do whatever payment or whatever transaction you want to do. So in case you want to use a virtual card of Grey, this is an opportunity for you to use it effectively by funding, unlike before, in which if you want to fund your Grey account, you will be charged for making a deposit. As you can see, I transferred 2,000 naira and the 2,000 naira was there already. I already have 0.3 kobo already on this particular account, but I just funded the account with 2,000 naira and it appeared exactly. I was not charged for any fee or whatsoever. The amount was exactly what I deposited. So this will show you that this is now working effectively. Unlike before, you'll be charged a particular amount of money for you making a deposit to this particular account. So once you're able to see that your naira have appeared in your wallet, all you just need to do is to go over to start swapping your fund to whatever currency that you want. So guys, imagine you want to swap. All you just need to do is to click on this third button here, go to balance, and once you go to balance, you will see that you'll be able to select which currency you want to swap. You can see here, I'll click on GN, which is Nigerian Naira, and I'll go down here. You will see where it's introducing swap. Once you click on this swap button here, it will ask you what currency you want to swap and all of that. Now this is where you'll be able to see the rate and all of that. So I want to say that my balance is 2,000 naira and I want to transfer to my wallet. All I have to do is to choose the currency in which I want to swap with. Now let me say I want to swap it US dollar, and I come to this area here and I click on the amount in which I want to swap. Let me say that I want to just swap $1, 1 naira, and it will tell you that the minimum amount that you can be able to swap is 740 naira, which is the minimum amount in which you can be able to swap. So right now, let me just say I want to swap 1,000 naira. It's telling me that 1,000 naira will give me 1.32 cents. That is to say that it will give me $1.32 for me to make this particular transaction. It to give me, all I have to do is to click on agree, and then I proceed to do my conversion. And this is how you can be able to swap or convert whatever amount you want, either in euro, US dollars, or whatever currency you want to do on Grey. So guys, this is how you can be able to fund your Grey account and get started using it at ease. If you got value, do me a favor by subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification and don't forget to give this video a like. As I see you on the next one, please stay safe. Peace.